Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Payments. Look for the Shopify Payments section. Click on Activate Shopify Payments. You will be prompted to fill out your business details. Enter your legal business name. Provide your business address. Include your business phone number. Next, input your business type and tax registration number if applicable. Proceed to fill in your banking information. Add your bank account details for where you want to receive payments. After entering your banking information, review the payment processing options. Choose the payment methods that best suit your business needs. Once you have made your selections, click Complete Setup. Review the terms and conditions presented by Shopify Payments. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Finally, click Save to finalize your setup. Your Shopify Payments account is now registered and ready to use. You can start processing transactions right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.